We're trying to figure out where revenue equals total expenses, and revenue is the amount of money that you bring in. Let's let X be the number of units that are sold, bought, whatever. So your revenue will be selling price is $1.20. So that would be 1.2 times X. And your total expenses, you've got 9,900 of fixed cost, plus it costs 65 cents to make each one. So the total variable cost would be 0.65 times X. And let's subtract 65 cents from both sides. Of course, if you had $1.20 and subtracted 60, that'd be 60 cents, but take off another 5, so you got 55 cents. 55X equals 9900. So this is X equals 9900 over 0.55. And let's multiply top and bottom by 100 so I can get whole numbers. So don't multiply that 9900, just leave that 100 up there, don't multiply it out. But now you got a 55 in the bottom. Now 11 will go into 55 5 times, and 11 will go into 9900. It will go into there 900 times. And then, I'm sorry, got on the wrong line, 900 times. And then 5 will go into 120 times. So you've got 900 times 20, and that's going to be an 18 with 3 zeros. So your answer is D.